What are you doing?
Don't put me on video.
You guys, what's up? I look like garbage and that's okay. I'm having a problematic day in my problematic life and my problematic friend FaceTime me. I'm supposed to be cleaning. I was gonna clean my room. I'm like, you know what? Look at this. This is who we are right now. Like, as a society, this is who we are. And I said, you know what? I'm gonna film myself cleaning my room. And then she calls me and she's like, do I have to wear a bra today? Can we go to breakfast? Well, I asked her to go to breakfast, but like hours ago. Hours ago.
I fell back asleep. And my hair's a mess.
It's a nor'easter in New York, another snowstorm, and I think we've all lost we've all lost it. Like, I
haven't cut my hair.
I have nothing left to give this winter. So I started out this morning, pausing you, Patty. Pause. I started out this morning with this, if I can get into my phone. Let's break into my phone. Started out the morning with an Instagram post. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna be productive. I don't wanna post any more winter outfits. So I posted this. And I said, hello, spring. Join us, join me. And now, my phone's gonna die. This is a crazy start, but I'm gonna spend a few minutes cleaning my room. Then I'm gonna go meet this one and eat something healthy. JK, probably French toast. Let's go.
Let's go, baby. Let's go.
All right.
I'm gonna brush my teeth.
Cleaning montage now. Not perfect, but better. Speaking of problematic, this is my outfit. You might recognize the dress from the Claire Danes look in my 90s lookbook, and this is the Will Smith hat. Got dressed off the floor, headed to breakfast with Patty. Okay, just as I was about to leave, UPS rang the bell. Let's open this quickly, and then we'll go meet Patty. See what's in the box. I don't know what this is, but I'm excited, you know? Just happy to be here and all that. Probably shouldn't play with scissors. When I was little, I used to say skizzers, and that too was problematic. Oh my God, we have so many goodies from Urban Decay. What are these? These are Urban Decay. Okay, yes, your packaging is fly, but like the tonal thing makes it very hard to see. And I don't have my glasses on. Waterproof eye pencils, yes. Sorry, Patty, I gotta dig in. I gotta see what the what. Eye pencils, please be something bright. You guys know how much I want a yellow pencil. This one's brown, and that actually looks really pretty. But you've seen a brown eye pencil before. I'm literally trying to hurry, I'm shaking. This, oh my God, purple. It's called Alkaline. It looks like this. Can you see it? Okay, that's dope. These honestly look, they have the look that I like for eye pencils, which is like they look really easy to apply. They look smooth. That's why I like that MAC pencil so much that I use. This one is in Roach. That's a name. Looks like that. It is kind of a copper brown color. That naming process must have been invigorating or something. This one is, oh my God, is this what I think it is? Yes! Look at that. It's like a shimmery, super pale pink. Oh my God, that's gonna look good on brown skin and pale skin. This one is black, and these are 24/7 glide on eye pencils. The glide, see, that's the key to an eye pencil. You definitely want it to glide. Are these empty? Yes. Okay, so these are the colors. That's cool. And we also have a text. That's probably Patty. We have a lip color. It's this one. This one is in Back Talk. It's a comfort matte. It's like the ones that we showed you before. Oh my God, this is like a really pretty nude. And this is one that will work for me. If you guys don't follow the And I Get Dressed Instagram, you are missing out. It's different than It's Me Kelly B. It's Me Kelly B is just me, living my life, wearing stuff. And I Get Dressed, I feature other girls, like mostly other women. It's almost not me at all. But it's curated by me. But also in the stories, my assistant, Sarah, and I just filmed a bunch of swatches, and she tested a bunch of makeup because And I Get Dressed is all about community, and the entire community doesn't look exactly like me. That's what I said. And so Sarah is kind of like an olive complexion, and she's a different look and skin tone and type and size than me. So she'll be popping up on there. We'll be having guest spots from some of your favorite bloggers. Alex did one. She did a cute, I think she did a Get Ready With Me. I can't remember. But yeah, lots of people will be popping on to the And I Get Dressed stories. So make sure you follow and check those out. That was there. And I also gave one of these away on my Instagram, the It's Me Kelly B one. So that's that. And then the last thing in this box is Back Talk face palette. What? Eye and face palette. Looks like this. This is the box. Yes. And what's inside? Shout out to Urban Decay for not making their packaging impossible for those with toenails, because I'm getting in these pretty dang well. Okay, this is freaking gorgeous. That's the box, or the palette, I should say. You saw the box. And you open it up. What's inside? Okay, wow. We have Cheap Shot, Double Take, Low Key, and Party Foul. These seem to be like blushes and highlighters. Oh my goodness. Oh, now I have fingerprints and fingerprints. But that is so pretty. And on the other side, we have, oh, this mirror comes out. My camera overheated when I was talking about the Urban Decay, but I just got to breakfast with Patty. We're gonna eat now. What you got there? That sandwich looks legit. What is that?
Prosciutto, mozzarella, tomatoes, pesto, and I had to put a fried egg on it. It's delicious.
That's my food because I forgot to show it to you, but I got a croque madame and I ate only the cheese and the egg part, and that's the ham part in there. And a lot of coffee, a lot of coffee. I would just like to say this day is also including me not really eating my food and instead ordering, can't talk. Yo, I'm calling this vlog Problematic is the name of this entire thing is a problem. Ordered a crepe, but then I got the crepe and the strawberries were cold. Like, you gotta heat up all the, like, you can't have cold fruit inside of a crepe. Not okay. Am I right?
You're right. She's right. Oh my God, my hair's a mess.
Yo, we look disgusting. Look at us. Trash. Feel so jacked up.
Oh my God, that's it. 86 the coffee.
I'm home. So I'm at breakfast with Patty / lunch / we sat there forever and ate so much food. It was amazing. So I'm there and I get a notice from UPS. UPS, as you know, came right before I left the house. Get a notice that they missed me. Okay, I just saw the UPS guy. He knows me. Hello, I get packages like every day. Peace. Calm my brain, calm myself. I look so bad. It's actually a problem, but hey, this is the problematic vlog, so why not? Okay. They say, we've left your package at some local UPS lockers. First of all, these lockers are not close to me. They're not down the street. They're like down 4 streets and an avenue. It's a mess. It's like, you can walk, but you could totally take a taxi. Like, it's super, super, super annoying, right? So on my way back from eating with Patty, I say, okay, I'm gonna take an Uber. I don't know how big this package is. I don't know what's in this package. Sorry, now there's customized problems. So I say, let me just stop by these lockers. Hey, Mr. Uber guy, do you mind if we stop by these lockers so I can get my package? He's like, sure. Go, scan the barcode, sign with my finger, open locker. Locker H is opening. No, it's not. Reopen locker. Locker H is opening. No, it's not. Reopen. Boop, boop, beep, boop, boop, boop. There is a problem with the locker. It's not working. Contact UPS. Now that that rant is over, I am glad that you guys helped me clean my room because it is much better. It's not perfect. I still have some, my pillows are like very disorganized. I have some things on my dresser I need to clear, but that's pretty much it. And you know, I opened my Urban Decay package, which I politely put into the trash, you know, the trash, and the products over there. I will be testing them and showing them to you guys. It's been a day. It's been a day. So, and it's actually kind of early still. It's 2:30, 2:24. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day. I'm probably gonna take one more photo. The video for Thursday, by the way, is gonna be so cute. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. I'm so excited for it. It's a collab, hint, hint. So that's all I'm gonna say about that. But I think you're gonna really like it. I think you're gonna enjoy. Oh my God, and then I have another really bomb video coming for Sunday. I say bomb because like, I think so. If you don't support you, who's gonna support you? So yeah, that's pretty much the haps. I think I'm going to do a little bit more for the Thursday video, though I said this is my no makeup day because my nose has been so dry, you guys. Like, I just needed to just do a lot of skincare. I've been hydrating to death though, so I'm not really sure why my nose has been acting so funny. But I wanted to have a no makeup day, and I usually will do that on the weekend, but I've just been so busy filming that I haven't really taken the time to just keep my face scrubbed clean. So that's the goal today. So it doesn't really matter though, because I don't need much of my face for the thing I'm gonna do. It's more of a body shot. So probably get one of those done. And then, not really sure, probably do some work on my computer. And maybe I should like clean up my living room a little bit, though I did that this morning too. So all in all, I think I'm just gonna actually get some work done on my computer, send out some emails. So much of what I do is either responding to people reaching out to me or being proactive and reaching out to people that I wanna work with. So I'm gonna do a little bit of that administrative work and maybe watch a little TV. So I might be ending the vlog and I might not. So I'm gonna say goodbye to you now. And if I come back, then I come back, but probably not coming back. So yeah, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this kind of very chill, I'm doing nothing but piddling around kind of vlog. And yeah, love you, mean it. See you on Thursday. And I promise to look better than this. Love you, mean it. Bye.